Good morning. Did I wake you? How's it going? Welcome in. My name's Carbs. Sometimes a high pitched, nasally voice, and other times, I have the morning voice, which is deeper. No, I'm just kidding. We are working on the Gatcha logic. I don't remember what I did to have this be better for y'all. I think that's almost better. There we go. I can zoom in a little. All right, so what we're working on is the stuff over on the left. We are trying to make sure. Wow, this seems loud today. I don't know why that seemed extra loud in my ear. We're probably going to end up going back to a single streaming service. I'm not quite sure if that's YouTube or if that's Twitch. I like both. All right, let's move that over here. Redeem my Gatcha. I think I can do that just here. Nope. Oh gosh. All right. I just realized my notification button never gave like we're live over on Twitch type thing too. Yep, there we go. All right. That's all done. You know. All right, so what we're doing here, we're pulling the item from the machine. And then we are getting that. Select valid groups, get random int range there. So then we just care about the group, get item by collection ID and group. So then we're gonna say now we actually need like how we're gonna get it from the So I'm thinking that I'm probably just gonna get a file I mean, it'd be better if the files were just in here, right? I mean, we're still gonna have to attach the files as a database. I don't know which would be quicker though. Like, in theory, it could be very quick to just grab the file. Yeah, we'll just do custom variable manager for right now. Types. All right, so with that being said, custom variable manager, we want the items. This is definitely not the way to be doing it. The debug info dot. No, it would be game info dot id. Just that. This will store all the items. I don't know how big these can be, to be honest. So this means I need to go looking at the examples again. Source. I think I was looking at the OBS integration when I wrote some of this. I think what I'm trying to figure out is how to access I'm trying to figure out how to access Firebot things. It is interesting that I always see this JSON DB stuff and it's never like used anywhere. So they're creating a utility that initializes this. Okay, that makes sense because then that allows you to tie into it. However, I am curious, is this used anywhere? I might try to do this again, because it'd be helpful to have my own file for database stuff. Hi, Helena, how's it going? Oh, look. Welcome in. Sorry. I was trying to figure out how certain things are written in a different integration. I released the script to the Firebot Discord. It's got 1 like on the Discord. No comments. So I'm wondering if that just means nobody's had time to try to use it. But hi, welcome in. I really want to write this in a different language, but I need to... I'm gonna figure this out. I just gotta be patient. I'm learning at the same time. I'm curious, what is this? What is fuse.js? Lightweight fuzzy search dependency. Okay, interesting. Live demo. JSON. I mean, that would be kind of nice, right? Be able to just search like that. That would be really nice. FS. I do want to install this. I don't think I want to set that up. So this is system, this is types, this is Firebot. I kind of like the way the Spotify is set up. I feel like the Spotify might be the best written one. So we're going to use it as we're going to use it as a way to help us. In fact, can I just open in Visual Studio? I just need to download that. There we go. I think I don't think it's that active of a Discord, to be honest. Like, it's active, but not many people are over there, you know, messing around with it. We don't care about this get random. So I would need to install fuse and this. I mean, the fuse is nice because it's. Let's go for it. Fuse, ensure directory. Alright, so we need to do this. Do that. This. npm install node JSON DB. FS extra at. We'll work on that in a second. Install. Maybe I installed the wrong thing. I think I installed the right thing. There we go. Alright, so now they have this thing called a Firebot utility page. What is the string util? Format, milliseconds to time, get error message. Error unknown, error message, handled exception. Oh, that's actually pretty smart. String .ts. It's like each time I go, there's just one thing after another that's needed from this. What's... What is... Triggers right there. Oh... It's like a never-ending issue here. What is going on? Is this how you overwrite stuff in TypeScript? Hi Tempest, how's it going? Welcome in. Tempest, by the way, you can be collecting art over on Twitch. Also, I might be going back to Twitch full-time or YouTube full-time. I'm not 100% sure. I had to stop paying for Restream. It's like 20 bucks a month or something stupid like that. It just isn't worth it. Yeah, so it sucks, but you know, it is what it is. Also, I think I'm gonna turn up the daily art collection up to 220. That's about how much you make an hour, like in terms of channel rewards. So I feel like that's a good channel rewards cost. What do you guys think about 220 for one redeem? I don't know how to fix that. I think that there's some setup in the Spotify integration that allows it to do that. Probably this right here. So I am curious. And that fixed that. Oh, cool. All right. So Utils Firebot is still not liking this. Even though everything is working in here. Did I comment something out already? No. Yeah, thank you so much for coming by. Let's check out what's going on our farm. We got plenty of money. This is the poop guy. I believe. And then we need 4,020. We'll just go ahead and get the other bots done too. Yeah, well, he's not. You can do build. We have some stuff to be built if you want to build things. Yeah, no, I went out for like 2 seconds and it was humid. I didn't cut the grass yesterday because it had just rained, and then it rained last night. So yeah. I don't know why this is saying that it can't find it, but yet these aren't. Like, oh, you know why? Maybe. So this is Utils Firebot. We're in the Utils Firebot. I don't know, I feel like we broke some stuff. By putting this Utils in. I'm not too worried about this. Like, we're not gonna ever use that. But this stuff I do like, and I like the thought of it. However, if it's not working, it's not working. I know some of this is caused by this, so where's the no? You don't use parameter, there's... Yeah, that's what that was. It was the strict. Now, however, I don't know how this is, why this isn't getting picked up. Oh, you guys can't even see. Not like you guys are like super deep into the code anyways. But Firebot utils, script modules utils. Yeah, you guys got the farm, no big deal, right? Alright. So for whatever reason, it can't find this. So I'm wondering if I just do like Firebot. I think that should work. Ooh. This could also be causing an issue. Alright, we'll work on that in a second. I can... If I do... Is that why it wasn't working? Yep. This is custom. However, what I wanted to do isn't just that. I want to use this database. This database service because I think that it would be useful. However, I need to figure out how to use it. So, we're gonna try to do this the hard way. We're gonna search for the database service. And we are now inside of the lyrics TS. So, with that being said, we don't want it in types. They just put theirs under utilities. I don't know that I like that. All right. Oh, look at that. A bot. Twitch is like, you don't want real engagement, do you? Twitch. Oh, that was created in 2019. I feel like we're just getting a whole bunch of accounts now that are what is it called? Like hacked. That's the word I was looking for. Yeah, some of this code goes like, because I don't use TypeScript that often, like I understand what it's doing, but it's definitely more than I have done before. All right, so what I'm doing is copying their code to kind of look at it and then try to write my own, essentially. We're gonna call this item database service. This is going to be where we look up the collection item by group, by ID and group ID, or by collection and group ID. So we're gonna say this is collection ID. This is going to be group ID. Lyric file exist. All right. So lyric file exists. Track has lyric file. Lyric helper, where? Ah, okay. This is kind of what I need first. Item, it would be, this would be item DB helper, we'll say. We'll start here. So resolve directory name lyric path. Where is it getting this lyric path from? That's a valid question. Dot lyrics. Ah, they just have it here. However, we have a constant file, so we want to create a constant file for the database stuff. So we're gonna go into data constants. No, I want we're eventually going to change the structure. So we're going to need a folder, and we're going to call it const. We're going to put paths in there, and we're going to move that there. So we're going to export const. We're going to say item db. We're going to say path equals, and then we're going to do items. Is it going to create a new file for every item? We don't want that. What else do we need, I guess, is the real question. So on this helper directory name, path, and then the... Yeah, so they're creating one for almost every single lyric, which is fine, I guess. Item DB. We're just gonna call it paths, and it'll have the directory name. We'll have the DB or folder struct. And this will be the .dbs. This will be the file. This will be item db name. This will be db. This will be extension type. .json. Machines. We are gonna have a group db name. I know this is very basic, but if I ever want to change it in the future, this is going to help me a lot. We have groups, items, machines, collections. So something like that will work. And then anything else that needs to be stored. They give us the game settings, which is fine. All right, so we'll do that. Data / const / dbs. How do I add that is my question. Is that in the TypeScript stuff? Yes, it is. There's only one thing in there. I just realized. DBS. All right, that's fine. And we will use that here. This is data dbs dot paths dot. This is item db. Nope, this is just paths dot folder struct. And then this is going to be the item dbs dot paths dot item db plus dbs dot paths dot extension type. All right. Else that should be fine. This is this should just be file path. So lyrics file path, not from ID. There's no from in this. We do that, and then this doesn't need this. This can also be just called item db path or items db path. Ensure directory file path file path. This gets used here. So this is loading the items file async. Loading the items file async. This is something I'm not sure what they had the structure as. All right, so they had it as so they were creating one for every time. So the real question is does this become too... At what point does this become too big? I feel like it should be fine. So this should be... what? An array? of item. Is this using Alright, so this is file or item file. We don't need this, so this could be blank. I see the issue there. This is item file exists. This is just that. This is item db path. This is array item, something like that. All right, so this works. However, let's call this item data so in the future we're not like, what the heck? All right, and the reason why I was doing this is because I'm just trying to like get up and go, right? Like I'm not trying to sit around and wait the whole time. So we don't need that there. ID doesn't exist, so we're just gonna do this here. That creates this item database service. However, or the helper. So let's do collection ID. This is going to be item db helper. This loads the item db helper. Alright, so that gets the route, and then this dot underscore lines. Where? This formats lines. Alright, so there is one thing I'm curious about. So it's in the helper as well. But then it's up here. Okay. This is that API. Item database servers. So this is that. This gets this. Alright, so what I'm more curious about is like how is fuse used? Because it's really cool, like just from what I was reading, right? So what we're gonna do is search for this. On the update, we fuse the data. Okay. But what if we just want to get? Oh, sorry. So something I might want to look at is like songs or like fetch the song type thing, right? Something where they're searching for that specific thing. They call it a track. All right. So summary. No, this just gets. I'm curious. All right, so I just realized you guys can't see what I'm doing. All I'm doing is trying to understand how some of this stuff works. This will allow me to like figure out how to do the searching or whatever. I think. I'm hoping. But like part of me is like maybe I just don't understand how any of this works. Like, did they define that anywhere? This API endpoint, I think, comes from somewhere. Okay, so this is interesting. Where does it set up these APIs? And so this is the search that I was looking for. But I really don't want to like search an API, I just realized. Like I just want to come down here and get this path. Read it. This is part of it. So this gives a data path. And that gives a route. This is data service. This is the path. This is DB. This is get items / Can I filter on that? Maybe it's something to do with this, and I don't realize it. So, like, if I... If I do... keys. Collection or parent ID and group ID. That's see, it doesn't use fuse though. Oh, this is a list. Okay. So I could do something like, hold on. That. Then do constant options equal and then constant item data and then options like that. Something like that. I want to search by a very specific object though. So we're saying options, keys, author, and tag, and you're looking for this. However, I want to do 2 IDs, which honestly, at this point, I could probably just search. Wait, total weight, no. Value? Is there a value? So key title include, but I want to search 2 keys. I want to search 2 keys. All right, so if I do this and I say parent ID, group ID, oh, it's collection ID. Whoops. So this is collection ID. We do item data here. We put options there. We say collection ID here, comma, group ID. All right, so what that does is that gives us the results. The results can then what does that come back as? Oh. But what if I don't want include score? If I say false here, that basically gets rid of this index. I guess I could always look at what... This is a horrible... Like, I keep forgetting to move the browser out of the way and whatnot. So this looks for like an individual one, but they're not using like a hard type for that. Okay, all I'm trying to do, honestly, I don't even really need this. So like, that's nice and all, but really you can do item data dot filter x dot collection ID equals collection ID and group ID x dot group ID equals group ID. There, like that. That's all you have to do. However, we should probably do something like that, and this should be like a const result something like that. Alright. That's cool and all. Alright. Honestly, this could probably be commented out. We can do item database service dot Alright, back to this. What am I doing wrong? Is declared but never read. I feel like there's a little bit of the puzzle I just don't quite get. Oh. Well, no. Async await is one. That goes there. It's been so long. So we look at lyric again. This is utilized. There we go. All right. So I had to think about it, like convert it over to C sharp, and then had to like, yeah. Anyways, so yeah, I'm sure this is super fun for a lot of y'all. Now that we have the the valid items, we can finally say that these valid items are going to be, or these valid items are going to be valid items. Basically this, we copy this, we say this, and then we say valid items. Valid items. Ah. All right. Really could just be because this should be basically we're pulling all right. So we got the item started and kind of done. the next thing, let's try to get these other databases, right? New folder, we're gonna say database. This is. We're gonna move that. That's fine. We're gonna move that. Are you sure you want to move? No, we'll fix everything manually. All right, so that one's fixed. This one is just. We're gonna change this one to collections. So collection DB service. All right. So we need this one. That's for groups. That's for groups. We will need that one. All right. So we can say public async for right now. Change that to collection, change that to collection. Then we say that this needs to be ID. So basically like that. In theory, we technically should only get one collection from this, right? So here we're getting the collections by ID. So get collection by ID. So we're getting a specific collection. So really this shouldn't be an array. This should just be a singular collection. That's fine. Then we're going to say filter or first select find yeah, we can do a find with that because there should only be one with that collection ID. There should never be two collections with that collection ID. So that's that. All right, so we're gonna move this up to here. We're gonna say collection database service, collection database service. DB service. We can work on naming later. Like, part of me just wants to like shorten this so much. Like, CDBS is plenty. Oh wait. Put that in the wrong area. That goes there. That goes there. All right. And then we should also probably wrong with this. Alright, so this is a collection. This is a collection. This is find item. Replace with collection. And that worked way better than I thought it would. Find collection. Nope, not that one. This one. And replace with group. Find item. And replace with group. And that should work there. So this is group DBS. And this is item DBS. IDBS. I'm gonna go with this. Alright, so we don't need group. Do we ever go into the group? We never need the group stuff. So we'll never need that right now. IDBS there, and then CDBS here, CDBS here. Only go into the collections that you'll need. Technically, I should probably load these in like on a init or something. This should technically be in maybe like the machine service or something like that. All right. So that's pretty much done. I think. We will eventually need to create I'm just trying to close things right now. This is the effect of a collectible reward. The options for this should be the machine name. that's the machine. This is on trigger. So this needs to be that thing that we just created. Oh, this is what we need to create in the group. If we look at the collection group, for the collection, we don't store anything in here, but we do for the group store the parent ID. I feel like collection should have you know what? We'll do it this way for right now. All right. Let GDBS is group database service. This is gdbs.get group collection by collection or get group. I know what I'm trying to say. It's just whether or not that actually comes out is the real question. So with this, we want something like this. it even need to go through this? Not really. Okay, fine, it does. Whatever. Why couldn't I just do... Yeah, I don't see why that wouldn't work. And then I could literally just skip the whole async thing here. And this would just be this dot groups data. We want this though. Find where this is going to be array. This is going to be where parent ID is equal to collection ID. Yeah. A wait is needed here. So this is returning... Oh, I was only gonna return back the string. I mean, it would be nice to only return back the string, right? And then I could do like select. Return only. What time is it? 9? Might end a little early. I do that, if then I could do groups. I mean, I'd have to do this anyways at some point. If I do group results dot or var results equal group results dot fill. Oh no. Const results. And then results dot fill, and then group results comma 0 comma group results dot length -1. Results need to be string. That's not what I want. This is not what I want. I thought there was a select. An element of an object. That's all I want to do. Type script select from array. Select property from an object array. There we go. So results equal group result group data dot. Wait, I don't need almost any of that. Group data or group results dot map x dot id. Okay, so then that means I can just do this. Dot map. Map is the stupid thing I was forgetting. That's right. So then I basically need to go var selected item equals pull item from machine. I don't know that, like, what I was thinking here. I don't quite. I'm not quite done yet, but I think I am gonna. I should probably call it here. This should probably get from the machine database. So that way it's like refreshed every time. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna call it there. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. And we'll see you Monday. Yeah, I'll see you Monday if I don't talk to you guys in Discord. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.